Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Skyler all the way from Coils with Skyler. If you are new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. I haven't been on my channel for a long time. I am busy trying to grow out my hair and on my sides. If you follow me on TikTok, if you don't, please, I will put my link here in the description and I will put my link on the video. You should check it out, guys. Yeah, so if you follow me on TikTok and on Facebook, apologies, it's one of those days. It's windy and my sinus is not doing any justice. Anyway, so if you follow me on TikTok, you would see that I am in protective style. So what bothers me the most is I am in love with the dreadlocks. I am super in love with it. It fits me, it looks good. Let me just show you. So the problem that I have with this hair is the texture is weak, number one, but it's my own fault. I took the wrong texture. It's long, I love it. It is what I want. Let me just show you, it is quite long. So this is the longest one. But nevertheless, so I can take this out anytime. This one already broke. I had to tie it like so, and it's gonna break again. But nevertheless, I'm not here to give negative comments on this hair. I do look good in the hair, I have to say. Oh, child, don't come for me. Anywho, so what I've realized is that I have a problem with my scalp. I didn't prepare my scalp. So ladies and gents, if you want to do protective styles, this is just what I've learned. And I had a conversation with one of my natural friends, and she told me that you need to prep your scalp before you do protective styles. So what I'm gonna do is, I've realized that I have buildup, I have pimples on my scalp. My scalp is very itchy. I oil my scalp every single night, and I don't know if you guys know the Mandy mix. I've been using the Mandy mix every single day, but I've realized that I need to switch it up. So what I'm gonna do here today is I am gonna show you how I wash my scalp with nothing other than this is the only thing that's gonna fix my hair or my scalp, I think. So don't quote me on that. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna apply this to my scalp, leave it on till it dries, and then wash it off whenever I feel like it. Anywho, so without further ado, let's hop into this. And if you want to be extra like me, I need to make sure that I am saturating my scalp and cleaning my scalp all the time, because child, wie wil jy dagtak? Nee, ek. So what I have here is apple cider vinegar. I'm using what's this? Nature's Choice. Nature's Choice unfiltered raw apple cider vinegar. You can find it at your local store. Clicks has it, Discam has it, even Spa. Child. Okay, so I have water, conditioner, and of course apple cider vinegar. So what I'm going to do is just spray on my scalp. And as you know me, I am a little extra, so I'm gonna sit under this heat cap for 10 to 15 minutes just to open up my pores, and then I'm gonna let everything just dry and let's see what's happening. I will show you the results in a sec.